Welcome to today's episode of Digital Decode, where we unravel the complexities of digital forensics. I'm Elia Zulay, and today we'll explore the fascinating world of digital forensics and its critical role in modern investigations. Digital forensics is the process of uncovering and interpreting electronic data. The goal is to preserve any evidence in its most original form while performing a structured investigation by collecting, identifying, and validating the digital information to reconstruct past events. Imagine a cybercriminal has hacked into a company's network, stealing sensitive data. Digital forensics experts step in to trace the hacker's steps, uncovering crucial evidence that leads to the perpetrator's arrest. Now let's delve into the importance of digital forensics in today's investigations. Step 1. Identification. The first step involves identifying potential sources of data. This could be anything from computers, smartphones, USB drives, to cloud storage services. Step 2. Preservation. It's crucial to preserve the integrity of the data. This means creating a forensic image or a bit-by-bit copy of the digital evidence to prevent any alteration during analysis. Step 3. Analysis. This is where forensic experts use various tools and techniques to examine the digital evidence. They look for hidden, deleted, or encrypted data and piece together the digital puzzle. Step 4. Documentation. Every step taken during the investigation is meticulously documented. This includes the tools used, the methods applied, and the findings. This documentation is vital for legal proceedings. Step 5. Presentation. Finally, the findings are presented in a manner suitable for legal purposes. This often involves presenting the evidence in court and explaining the forensic processes used to uncover it. Importance in modern investigations. Digital forensics plays a pivotal role in modern investigations. Whether it's a cybercrime, financial fraud, or a serious criminal case, digital evidence can provide the breakthrough needed to solve the case. Why digital forensics is important. Without digital forensics, crucial evidence could be overlooked and justice might not be served. It ensures that digital trails are followed and electronic evidence is preserved and analyzed accurately. Thank you for joining us today on Digital Decode. We hope this introduction to digital forensics has provided you with a clear understanding of its significance. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive deeper into the world of cyber investigations. I'm Elia Zulay, and until next time, stay informed, stay prepared. Reach out to expert data forensics for peace of mind on your investigative journey.